Hey guys, welcome to today's class. In this class, we are going to learn a little about rising and falling tones. So, what do you think falling means? So, let's see how in English they make a difference. You see, the tone can impact the message a lot. We are going to watch the video in a while, but because this is just a micro lesson, we will skip the video. However, I hope you pay attention to how I say the words. If I say sorry and if I say sorry, do you think they mean the same? No, right? When I say I'm sorry, it means I'm sincerely sorry and I'm apologizing to you. But when I say sorry, it means maybe I didn't understand what you said, or maybe I am really not that apologetic about anything. Okay, so let's learn a little bit more about rising and falling tones. So the easy trick would be to visualize it like going up on the ladder and coming down from the ladder. Okay, so rising tone is like going up and falling tone is like going down. Okay, so let's see how and in which questions do we use rising tone and in which questions do we use falling tone. Let's see that. So let's take up our first question. So how would you ask this question? Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? So did you notice? We go up. The last part is said at higher pitch. So let's practice it again. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Okay, so this is called rising tone. Now, when do we use it? Whenever we have yes no questions, we use this rising tone in the last word mostly. Let's look at one more question. So if I use this, now how are you going to ask me this question? Are you tired? Are you tired? Let's practice it one more time. Are you tired? So this is the example of rising tone. Now let's compare it with falling tone. So falling tone is what we generally use in the statements. For example, I'm a student. I'm a student. In questions, we use this falling tone when we use the WH or H questions. For example, let's look at this question. Can you try this? Where are you going? Where are you going? Going. Where are you going? Where are you going? So you see, you're coming down the ladder. Where are you going? The tone, the pitch doesn't go up, rather, it goes down. Where are you going? Let's compare it again with the rising tone. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Where are you going? Where are you going? Okay, so this is the rising and falling tone. Do you know in question tags how we use this rising tone? That is very interesting. Let's observe it. So if I ask you, let's write this. We can buy this. So in question tags, we want confirmation or approval of someone. So what we do is we use the same helping verb that is being used but with negative, and we use the same pronoun. So can along with the negative, not with the same pronoun. Cannot we? Now this is how we write. But in speaking, we use contractions. So cannot we becomes can't we. So remember, In spoken English, contractions are very common. Similarly, for will not, we prefer to use won't. We'll see an example of it. In fact, you would do it by yourself. So let's practice our intonation on this. We can buy this. Can't we? We can buy this. Can't we? We can buy this. Can't we? Right? So the tone goes up in the question tag. Let's practice one sentence with will not so that you can see how won't comes. If I say, you will come with me. Now this is my statement. So if the statement is positive, in the question tag we have negative, not. So will is taken as it is along with not, and then we have the same pronoun, will not you, but this is in writing. In spoken English, we would just say, won't you, won't you, won't you, won't you. Now you practice. I'm going to give you a sentence and you try to fill in the blank with the right question tag. So if I say, he is good at playing chess, what would be the question tag? Guess. Apply the rule that we discussed. So the helping verb, yes, followed by not and the pronoun. But like I said, in spoken English, we use contraction. So now can you tell me how would you contract this? Usually to make contractions, we just omit the sound of O. So what do you think it becomes? And just make these words is and not sound together. Just speak them together like they're blended. Isn't he? He is good at playing chess. Isn't he? So you see, now we have learned how to use contractions in spoken English and how the rising and falling tones are used to ask questions. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. See you in the next class. Bye bye. You'll come to the next class, won't you?